So you know it's Gene again, and I wanted to talk to you about a site I've been using. I have the link in the description. Definitely use my link because there are bonuses to using my link. Um, this faucet of Bob. Faucet of Bob is one of the best faucets you can use for multiple pay methods. Just looking at the different things they offer in Faucet of Bob will blow your mind. So, one of my main focuses is on building Tron. And Tron, for those who don't know, is a cryptocurrency. It's TRX. With Faucet of Bob, you are provided the ability to not only earn what's known as bits. Bits is what you can use within the faucet to actually make claims, and I'll show you that in a moment. You have so many different ways to earn them, from working jobs to they have games for those who are into referrals. I love referrals, lottery, and that thing called short links. If you don't know what a short link is like going and viewing an ad that goes through a few pages. Now, that's not for everybody, but it's pretty cool. And you know, PTC ads, those who don't know what that is, that's paid to click. But back to what I'm talking about. Tron is a cryptocurrency, and there are a couple of ways to get it. You can purchase it, you can mine it. But one way that I really make money with it is through faucets. Now, faucet is an easy and free way to claim it. The name of the game is doing all of these different things that I just mentioned, even playing the contest. Even playing the contest to increase the amount of bits you get so you can go to the auto faucet right here, which basically allows you to withdraw your bit in any of these or all of these cryptocurrencies. You will need Express Crypto, which is a micro wallet, and I'll have that link also in the video. It works with this with Faucet of Bob here, but I'm telling you, it is incredible and very simple. You're able to boost the amount of rewards you get. You're able to stop that the auto claims at a certain amount. And what the faucet basically does is it's just claiming crypto for you in certain increments and placing it in your Express Crypto wallet. Right now, I've used up all my bits, so I can't really run the claim right now, but I'm gonna build that back up, so don't worry about that. But definitely wanted to bring this to your attention. It's an awesome site, an opportunity to get some free crypto. And I'll probably have a few more of these type sites up. But again, this is Gene Armega, and I am out.